In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube recap not showing. If you've been watching YouTube all year and you're expecting that end-of-year recap, but it's just not appearing, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the most common reasons why the recap might be missing, and what you can do on your device and in your account settings to bring it back, or at least confirm whether you're eligible for it. First, it's important to understand what the YouTube recap is. It's a summary that YouTube generates, usually toward the end of the year, based on your watch history and activity. That means, if your watch history is turned off, or if you haven't watched much content while signed in, YouTube might not have enough data to build that recap for you. So the first thing you should do is make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. On your phone or computer, open YouTube and check the profile icon in the top corner. Sometimes people have multiple accounts, and the recap may only exist on the one they used most throughout the year. Switch accounts if needed, and see if the recap option appears on the home page, in the Library tab, or in YouTube Music. Next, check your watch history settings. Go to your account menu, then open Settings, and find the History and Privacy section. Here, confirm that Pause Watch History is turned off. If it was paused for most of the year, YouTube may not be able to generate a recap. Also, make sure you haven't regularly cleared your watch history, because that wipes the data the recap needs. You'll also want to verify that your app is up to date. On mobile, head over to your App Store, search for YouTube, and update it if a newer version is available. Sometimes recap features roll out through app updates, so running an outdated version can prevent it from showing up. Another thing to keep in mind is that recap is usually limited to certain regions and time periods. If it's too early or too late in the year, or if the feature isn't available in your country, you simply might not see it. In that case, your account is fine. It's just a limitation on YouTube's side. Finally, if you've confirmed you're signed in, your watch history is on, your app is updated, and you're still not seeing anything, it may just be that YouTube didn't generate a recap for your account this year. In that situation, the best you can do is keep your history enabled and stay signed in going forward, so you're fully ready when the next recap season comes around.